morning everybody and welcome to my channel. So I am sharing with you guys the Walgreens ad for Sunday, December 22nd through Saturday, December 28th. Now it is going to be kind of a bland week. The reason is because it's Christmas. They have some stuff for like gifts, but not just like your everyday shopping. So I don't see a lot of stuff like popping out, but if you guys want, you know, there's some good deals. A lot of this stuff will probably go on clearance after Christmas anyways, so we'll see. But they do have some deals. It looks like gift ideas or like gifts. Those are only on sale from December 22nd to the 25th, but it's buy one, get one 50% off, because most likely the next day they'll be 50% off after Christmas. So unless you guys are eyeing up something, you know, you could get it. They do have toys for $9.99. I'm not sure if that's a good deal. Those might be the $19.99 toys, but I'm not sure. Miss Charlotte is in my lap, so if she grabs the camera, I am sorry. They do have some, looks like remote control cars for 50% off for $9.99. The same number 7 gift set is on sale for $34. They do have Maxwell coffee for $4.99 and pistachios for $6.99. I've been seeing it for that price for a while. They got Coke and Pepsi, 3 for $9.99, which makes it about $3.33. Okay deal. DiGiorno is buy one, get one free. Now we do have a $1.50 off coupon, but you can only use one of those because you can't use it on a free item. I can't remember what the DiGiorno prices are, so you might be able to get an okay deal. There's also a deal with Ibotta, but I'm not sure. I didn't check and see if that one was still valid because there was another deal that was good, but the Ibotta deal is no longer valid. So yeah. Okay, now we're going to go to the last page. They always do this first. So basically they got Scott's paper towels, buy one, get one 50% off. Usually those are $5. You can usually get a 50-cent coupon printable from like the Scott's website or Kleenex website. So you guys would basically get them for $7.50 minus the 2 50-cent off coupons, making them $6.50 or $3.25. It's an okay deal if you guys want to do that. I'm going to be passing on a lot of those paper deals because I have so much paper products. It's crazy. Crest, looks like it's going to be $2.99, and then there's going to be a register reward for $3 off of 3. I would not do it unless we get a very good digital coupon. Usually there is a coupon that pops up, but sometimes it doesn't always pop up. 7-Up Dr. Pepper products are 3 for $7.99. That's actually a good price, you guys. So you guys could get those for $2.66 a piece. So great deal if you want to do that. Whitman's chocolates, $4.99. There might be some coupons out there if you guys were interested with that. Nuts, $3.99. The praline and the sugar cookies are $2.99. Great for, you know, last minute gifts if you guys need that. Candles, buy one, get one 50% off. Now they do have Ben & Jerry's ice cream 2 for $8. Now there was some printable coupons not that long ago on coupons.com for $2 off of 2. So you could get each of them for $3 a piece, which could be an okay deal if you guys want to go get that. I don't even know what flavors they carry, but I love Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Lots of candy deals, you know, stocking stuffers, buy one, get one 50% off. Some movie theater candy, 4 for $4. Just a lot of stuff here and there. Like I said, it's great now, but you guys could, you know, depending on when you guys have Christmas with your family, you could always wait till the day after Christmas and get a lot of that stuff for 50% off. Juices, yeah. Now, they did have Ocean Spray in Ibotta. And I was going to show you guys that deal, and I looked, and it's no longer in Ibotta, but it might come back. Like, I noticed the Adidas is back. But the Ocean Spray is 2 for $5, and there was a 75-cent times 2 Ibotta deal. So if that pops up, I'm going to definitely go ahead and do that. More food deals. You got cookies, crackers, $1.99. Other crackers, $2.99. Chips, 2 for $5. So a lot of snack foods if you guys need foods. Sugars are $1.49 after coupon. And a lot of these deals are like deals that have been going on all month long. Okay. Now they got Purex, buy one, get one free. Persil is $4.99, and then there's gonna be, looks like there's gonna be a $2 off coupon, making it $2.99. That's an okay deal. I'm probably going to do the Persil deal because I love Persil, so I'm going to go ahead and probably do that. Snuggle is buy one, get one free. Nothing really popping out at me. Down here they have the paper plates and the nice aluminum foil for 99 cents. Love the new aluminum foil. It's a great price for 99 cents. Now they got some gifts. Nothing really popping out. A lot of stuff for $19.99. I actually noticed a lot of this stuff at my store is already starting to go on clearance. So, yes. Scissors. Buy one, get one 50% off. That's one thing I always need is scissors, scissors, scissors. Now, usually around Christmas time, not always, but usually like right after the holidays, it might even be for the next year, they usually do an 8x10 photo. I have been slacking a little bit on the 8x10 photos because I just haven't seen them, and then by the time I see it, the deal's not worth posting it. But you pay attention, you guys. There probably will be a 8x10 photo coming up soon over the next couple weeks. Makeup, they got Revlon or Almay, buy one, get one 50% off, and then you guys get a $2 registry reward when you buy two. They do have Neutrogena wipes. 2 for $10, so it comes out to be $5 if you guys are brand loyal. I don't know if that's a good deal, but it's an okay deal. Yardley soap, 69 cents. Looks like the Secret and the Old Spice deodorant deal is going on again. Most likely they might surprise us with another 6 off of 4 coupon. So if you guys can go ahead and get that, go for it. They do have Colgate. If you spend $10, you get 5,000 points. I would not do that deal unless you guys absolutely need to. Diapers are 2 for $18. It looks like there's going to be a 3 off of 2, and then you guys get 4,000. You get $4 in a registry reward when you buy 2. So it makes $11 a piece, making it $5.50 a piece. I would not, unless you guys absolutely need diapers. That's not the greatest deal. Dentex, buy one, get one free. And then they have Garnier Fructis, 2 for $7. And then there's coupons for 3 off of 2, making them $2 a piece. Again, not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Yeah, it's just kind of a slow week. Charlotte's just crawling in my arms right now, so she's just being silly. Nothing going on in the medicines. Don't really see anything after that. And that's actually the last page is this page. So not really much going on, you guys. It's kind of going to be a slow week. So if you need, to take a break, I would definitely do it. I'm going to try to share with you guys at least some deals. Just because, I want to show you guys as much deals as I can. But it's just going to be a slow week, which is okay because we all deserve a break. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all Sunday for doing my Walgreens haul. Bye-bye.